Today we have a 2020 Overland Explorer Vehicles CampX camper. This camper is suitable for full-size trucks with a 6.5-foot bed. This unit comes with a full complement of Molle panels out back for storing everything you need, as well as a 200-watt solar panel mounted on the roof, and a large 270-degree awning. Inside, just like all OEV campers, this CampX comes equipped with a stove, a sink, and this one has the optional king bed. It also includes a built-in fridge, ample interior storage, as well as a Red Arc Manager 30, and of course a Truma Vario furnace and AquaGo instant hot water heater. It also has a 100 amp hour lithium battery, as well as the factory roof rack rails not pictured in the video.